Antalya, a vibrant city nestled on Turkey's sun-kissed Mediterranean coast, beckons travelers with its unique blend of history, nature, and culture. Known as the Turquoise Coast for its dazzling blue waters, Antalya offers an unforgettable escape for every kind of traveler. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, bustling bazaars to tranquil parks, Antalya is a sensory delight waiting to be explored. Whether you seek relaxation on sun-drenched shores, adventure in the Taurus Mountains, or a journey back in time through Roman ruins, Antalya has something to captivate everyone. The city's rich history is evident in its well-preserved architecture, while its vibrant culture shines through in its delicious cuisine, colorful markets, and warm hospitality. Antalya is more than just a beach destination. It's a vibrant tapestry woven with threads of history, nature, and culture, promising an enriching and unforgettable experience. Prepare to be enchanted by the charm of Antalya, a true gem of the Mediterranean. Antalya's history stretches back millennia, leaving behind a legacy of fascinating sights that transport visitors through time. One of the most iconic landmarks is Hadrian's Gate, a magnificent Roman arch built in 130 AD to honor the Emperor Hadrian's visit. Stroll through its grand arches and imagine the city as it was centuries ago. Another must-visit is Kalechi, Antalya's charming old town. This historic district is a maze of narrow cobblestone streets lined with Ottoman-era houses, boutique shops, and cozy cafes. Explore its hidden courtyards, admire the intricate architecture, and soak up the atmosphere of a bygone era. Don't miss the Antalya Museum, home to an impressive collection of artifacts unearthed from nearby archaeological sites. From ancient statues to intricate mosaics, the museum offers a glimpse into the region's rich past. Exploring Antalya's historical treasures is like stepping back in time, offering a captivating glimpse into the city's fascinating past. Beyond its historical riches, Antalya boasts breathtaking natural beauty. The Dudin waterfalls, cascading down dramatic cliffs into the turquoise waters below, are a sight to behold. Take a boat trip to witness their power up close or enjoy a relaxing picnic in the surrounding park. Antalya's coastline is renowned for its pristine beaches. Konyaaltı Beach, stretching for miles along the city's western edge, offers golden sands, clear waters, and stunning views of the Taurus Mountains. Lara Beach, known for its fine sand and shallow waters, is perfect for families with children. For a more adventurous experience, head to the Taurus Mountains, where you can hike through pine forests, explore hidden canyons, and discover ancient ruins. The Koprulu Canyon National Park, with its dramatic gorge and opportunities for whitewater rafting, is a must-visit for thrill seekers. Whether you prefer relaxing on the beach or exploring the great outdoors, Antalya's natural beauty will leave you breathless. Antalya enjoys a Mediterranean climate with hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The best time to visit for swimming and sunbathing is between May and September, when temperatures soar and the sun shines brightly. Spring, from April to May, and autumn, from September to October, offer pleasant weather for sightseeing and outdoor activities. The city comes alive with colorful wildflowers in spring, while autumn paints the landscapes in warm hues. Antalya hosts several festivals and events throughout the year. The Antalya International Film Festival, held in October, attracts filmmakers and movie enthusiasts from around the world. The Aspendos Opera and Ballet Festival, held in the ancient Aspendos Theater, offers a magical experience under the stars. No matter when you choose to visit, Antalya's charm and beauty are sure to captivate you. Section 5. A tapestry of tastes and traditions. Antalya's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of Mediterranean flavors and Turkish traditions. Indulge in fresh seafood dishes, savor juicy kebabs grilled to perfection, and indulge in sweet baklava drizzled with honey. Explore the city's bustling markets for a sensory overload. The Antalya Bazaar is a vibrant labyrinth of stalls selling spices, textiles, ceramics, and more. Haggle for souvenirs, sample local delicacies, and soak up the lively atmosphere. Experience the warmth of Turkish hospitality at a local tea garden. Sip on fragrant Turkish tea, play a game of backgammon, and engage in friendly conversation with locals. Antalya's unique blend of flavors, aromas, and traditions will tantalize your senses and leave you with lasting memories. Section 6. Beyond the Beaten Path. Antalya's hidden gems. While Antalya's popular attractions are certainly worth a visit, venturing off the beaten path reveals hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Explore the ancient city of Perge, once a thriving Roman metropolis, and marvel at its well-preserved ruins, including a stadium, theater, and colonnaded street. Escape the city buzz at the Kursunlu Waterfalls, a hidden paradise tucked away in a lush canyon. Hike through the tranquil forest, admire the cascading waterfalls, and enjoy a picnic by the cool, clear streams. For a unique cultural experience, visit the Antalya Toy Museum, home to a whimsical collection of toys from around the world. Take a nostalgic trip down memory lane and rediscover the joy of childhood. Antalya's hidden gems offer a chance to escape the crowds and experience the city's authentic charm. Section 7. Exploring the city, getting around Antalya. Antalya offers a variety of transportation options to navigate the city with ease. The city's public transportation system, consisting of buses and trams, is an affordable and convenient way to get around. Taxis are readily available throughout the city and offer a more comfortable option, especially for shorter distances. Be sure to negotiate the fare beforehand or ask the driver to use the meter. Renting a car is a great option for exploring the surrounding areas at your own pace. However, traffic in the city center can be congested, so plan your routes accordingly. Walking is a pleasant way to explore the city center, especially the historic Kalechi district. With its well-maintained sidewalks and pedestrian-friendly streets, Antalya encourages exploration on foot. Section 8. Accommodation Options. From boutique stays to luxury resorts, Antalya caters to every budget and preference with its wide range of accommodation options. From charming boutique hotels tucked away in historic buildings to luxurious resorts perched on cliffs overlooking the Mediterranean, you'll find the perfect place to rest your head. For a truly authentic experience, consider staying in a traditional Ottoman-style mansion converted into a boutique hotel. These charming accommodations offer a glimpse into the city's rich past and provide a personalized touch. If you're seeking relaxation and indulgence, Antalya's luxury resorts offer world-class amenities, including private beaches, infinity pools, spas, and fine dining restaurants. No matter your budget or preference, Antalya's accommodation options ensure a comfortable and memorable stay. Section 9. Practical tips for a seamless Antalya experience. To make the most of your Antalya adventure, keep in mind these practical tips. The local currency is the Turkish lira, and it's advisable to have some cash on hand, especially for smaller purchases in markets. Turkish is the official language, but English is widely spoken in tourist areas. Learning a few basic Turkish phrases will enhance your interactions with locals and enrich your cultural experience. Dress modestly when visiting religious sites, covering your shoulders and knees. Pack light clothing, sunscreen, a hat, and sunglasses for the warm weather. Remember to stay hydrated, especially during the hot summer months. With a little planning and these helpful tips, you're sure to have a seamless and enjoyable Antalya experience. Section 10. Antalya for every traveler, a destination for all. Antalya's diverse offerings make it an ideal destination for every type of traveler. History buffs will be captivated by the ancient ruins and architectural marvels, while nature enthusiasts can explore pristine beaches, cascading waterfalls, and lush mountains. Adventure seekers can indulge in activities like whitewater rafting, paragliding, and hiking, while those seeking relaxation can unwind on sun-drenched shores or pamper themselves at luxurious spas. Families with children will find plenty of entertainment options, from water parks and amusement parks to aquariums and dolphin shows. Couples can enjoy romantic strolls along the beach, candlelit dinners overlooking the Mediterranean, and hot air balloon rides over Cappadocia. Antalya truly has something to offer everyone, ensuring a memorable experience for all. Section 11. Antalya, an unforgettable Mediterranean escape. Antalya, with its captivating blend of history, nature, culture, and adventure, promises an unforgettable Mediterranean escape. Whether you're seeking relaxation, exploration, or cultural immersion, Antalya has something to captivate every traveler. Lose yourself in the labyrinthine streets of Kalechi, witness the power of the Dudin waterfalls, and bask in the sun on pristine beaches. Indulge in the flavors of Turkish cuisine. Experience the warmth of Turkish hospitality. and bring home treasured memories from the bustling bazaars. Antalya is more than just a destination. It's a journey of discovery, a tapestry of experiences woven together to create a truly unforgettable adventure. So pack your bags, embrace the spirit of adventure, and set off to discover the magic of Antalya, a true gem of the Mediterranean.